Good morning, my friends. I just wanted to remind you that you are beautiful. For breakfast this morning, I'm having the cinnamon streusel muffin along with my black coffee. Some of the nutrition facts are 180 calories, 8 grams of total fat, and 5 grams of dietary fiber. So this is something that would be really good on the go or just for busy moms who are running around with their kids or need to get to work. I'm going to open this up and show you guys what the muffin looks like. So opening it up, they keep one of those things in there to keep it fresh. And then this is what the muffin looks like. This is about the sizing of it. So it's not a very big muffin, but I've had this before and I know that I really like it. And it doesn't taste dry. It is really, really dense. So I think it's perfect for mornings to help keep you full.
Okay guys, really quick update. I said I've had this before, it's not dry. I have not had this before and it is dry. Sorry about that. Okay, so I've had the banana nut muffin, the chocolate chip muffin, and I've had their pound cake, and those are all not dry. They're soft and moist. Sorry if you guys don't like that word. So I just bit into this and it definitely is dry, so I wouldn't recommend getting this if you don't have to, because although I like the cinnamon flavor of it, the coffee helps a little bit. It's just too dry for my taste. Okay, Yuri says she wants to taste test it for you guys. What do you think? You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay, it is really dense. It's just I think I like the little fluffy muffins, and the other ones are a lot bigger than this one. That's the only downside that I saw, was that this is small. It's also a little bit more dry, but
I don't think it's dry. I think it's yummy.
Okay, well, to each their own. So I just got back from the grocery store and I need to get some extra veggies, and it is lunchtime. So today I'm going to be having this black bean quinoa bowl. I was gonna have this mac and cheese, but I decided I'm gonna do this instead. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. I think I've had this before. No, I haven't. So hopefully it will be good. I'm thinking of a different quinoa bowl, but I really, really like grain bowls. So I have a feeling that I'm going to like this. Grain bowls, Buddha bowls, I love. And then probably have a little bit of a side salad or something. Alright, so I'm taking the kids to the playground, and I was going to cut my next scene to be what I had for dinner, but I needed to speak on this really quick before we went out to play. I guess today is an 0 for 2. I was really excited about this, but I really didn't like it. It just tasted like pure black beans to me. I know that they tried to season it. It just tasted like I ate a bunch of squashed black beans. I didn't really like it. Maybe you guys, if you guys have had it and you like it, leave a comment down below. Or if you also didn't like it and feel like you were just eating pure black beans, also leave that in the comments below. I just realized I forgot to share nutrition facts for you guys. So it's 170 calories, 2.5 grams of total fat, 6 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of protein. So it'll help keep me full. I still ate it. I didn't really like it. So hopefully dinner will be better.
Check out my mom's merch down below.
Right, today's dinner option is Nutrisystem chili with beans. Some of the nutrition facts is it's 230 calories. It is 8 grams of total fat. It is 5 grams of dietary fiber, 25 carbs, and 14 grams of protein. I'm gonna open that up for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I'm also having that with a side salad. All right, this is what the chili looks like, and that's about the sizing of it. Maybe the palm of my hand. What did you guys think of today's options for food? Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it so I can make more. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the subscription or the top of the comments below if you want 50% off of your Nutrisystem food, if you want to try it, if you haven't, or you just feel like getting the extra discount. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Bye.